There are some kinds of convention I want to tell you before we go to the development phase in this project. Conventions are used to make our code look consistent, elegant, readable, so it is easy to maintain and easy to extend. So I'm going to talk about Java code convention, Java class name convention, JSP name convention, and URL mapping convention. Let's start with the Java code convention first. For the code I will write in this project, I will use some parts of the Java code convention from Oracle. This document is originally published by Sun Microsystems in 1997. It is quite old, right? So there are many rules specified by a code convention